All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of cosmetics on the LS400. We've got these dirty, gross headlights on both sides. I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough time to get to those bottom reflectors, but we've got the Maguires Heavy Duty Restoration Kit. So we got some wet sand pads. This is for the clear coat, little polish and cleaner, and put that on the drill. So I'm gonna be doing that, first time doing it. My dad did it on my mom's car, and they went from almost this exact same yellow to crystal clear. So I'm hoping that's the goal. And then we may be throwing on the MB Battles off of the Subaru onto the Lexus and adjusting some suspension. So we'll just take it as it comes. And I don't know, Trev left his bike here last night, so I might be whipping that around in a little while. Maybe even do a little recap review on it, since I know some of you guys are requesting, a little update video on how the bike is. Done a few mods on it so far, so we'll see. But I'm gonna get to this headlights and I don't know, test her out first time. So catch you guys. All right, so I'm about 5 minutes in. Just using this wet sand, the first hard pad, and I can definitely tell the difference. Not only because it's barely wet. You can see a little residue, didn't wipe it off yet, but from that to that so far, big difference. So first pad is this red pad. Directions are on the back of the Maguires box. The next pad will be this. Then we will go to this right here, Plastic X Clear Plastic Cleaner, which actually goes on the pad. I just use a corded drill just so the battery doesn't keep dying. And then last but not least, we've got the heavy duty headlight coating. So that's gonna be like the clear coat. My dad said it goes pretty quick, so we'll be wiping that. But what's up, Diesel boy? He's just chilling. So I'm happy so far. Arm's not getting tired yet, but we're gonna just keep going with it. All right, so I'm done with the first pad. I just swapped over to the second. I haven't used it yet. Again, little comparison. That's just off to the first pad. So I'm gonna take this pad, probably go for another 10 minutes, see if there's any difference. I'm not sure if this one's more gritty or the other one. The other one seems like it was. And then I guess this Plastex is also a cutter. So we'll see. I'm just gonna go with it, and if I need to go back to the red one, I will. I thought I recorded doing the first cut, but I didn't. So this is what I was using, like I showed before. You just put some on there, and honestly, dap it all around, and then just back and forth until it kind of erases itself. And then I took some Windex on just a paper towel and wiped it all down, then dried it off. So I'm gonna be doing probably another coat. I wanna make sure I have enough for the other side, but this stuff is definitely working super well. I'm super happy with it. These you can barely see out of, and these are crystal clear. So I'm gonna do one more coat on this, and then probably pull it out for pictures. Ooh, excuse me, pull it out for a picture to compare, and then I'll do the other side, and then I'll probably just clean them both and then do the clear coat at the same time, just so I know I have enough clear coat. So I will set you back up. All right, so last bit, we're gonna have this little pad. It says get it wet a little bit, squeeze it out. We're gonna take the headlight coating crap. Let's see. Put a little bit on this, and then drag it. So you can see that little stuff coming right there. It's gonna come on, and then it should dry clear after it's on. Smells pretty good. So it's drying up a little bit. We'll do the other side. After this dries, we'll check and see if we need to do another one. Word. All right, so I just got done doing the passenger side. I didn't film it because it was the exact same process as the first one. I'll pull it out in the sun, but I mean, you can even see right now, these things are pretty clear. So I'm gonna show you how to do the clear coat, which is the last step. Only takes a few seconds, and then I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes, and then I will pull it out in the sun and show you guys the finished product. But looks super clear, no more green and yellow, and I think I'll actually be able to see at night. So, all right, so if you guys can hear me, I finished up both sides. You saw me throw on the quick clear coat, and these things look immaculate, especially compared to what they used to look like. Those things look brand new. Same with this side. So I'm super happy with how they came out. And you guys saw what kit I used. So if you're looking to do your headlights, your parents' headlights, your sister's headlights, whatever, pick up that Maguires kit and just do what I did. Turned out super well. So catch you guys on the next Octane and Zip Ties post. Later. Oof, they came out super clean.